Let's try it one more time. UK 100. It's I don't know, the FTSE, or it's the market in the United Kingdoms. The ticker UK 100 on the my Wanda account. It doesn't quite fit. Every time I search for those tickers, they seem to be um, only related to Owanda. Can't seem to find them in the Yahoo Finance. These particular symbols. All right. Monthly candle chart, and this is one that I've been looking at with since October. What do we have here? It hasn't bounced back as high as the other indexes. Monthly defined breakout, monthly defined breakdown. Price action coming to test out. Look at these wicks below. Always wait for that end of the month. You have the 12-month moving average angling downwards, price action below it. So I wonder here how November is going to end. We could maybe see a test of that 12-month moving average and then go back down and then see if it's going to continue from there. The longer the price action is below the 12-month moving average, the more it's going to start declining, increasing the angle, solidifying the trend. So that's how I see it right now in the monthly candle chart, guys. But as long as you're above that breakdown line at a 70, 71, 70, close, yeah, 70, 78, 70, 70, 80. If you have, as long as you're above that, you just wait. You wait it out until the market decides whatever it has to do here. But you don't want to play an uptrend if you have the 12-month moving average bring you downwards. But you don't want to necessarily short it. All right, weekly UK. Let's move that. Zoop. Nice stage 2. Price action starting to go below the 30-week moving average. All signs right here they should have been out. And after that, eventually you're in a stage 3. You're out. And where are we today, guys? Oh. See, so my 12 months. Move that there. All right. Where's my breakdown line? Right. There's one top one here that broke down. Then another continuation here. And right now on the weekly, you're above the monthly defined one, but you're also above the weekly defined one. Embryonic breakout above 30-week average. Bring price action below it, starting to angle it downwards. Secondary breakout going down. The clues, the weight of evidence starting to pile up. Underperforming the SPX. These big red candles right here. And this is what's going to happen. You're below so now you're bouncing off that monthly defined resistance, sinking through it, coming back up, bouncing off that weekly defined. So we don't have all the clues in your favor. Now the price action pulling back. It would be preferable if it'd be contracting volume. So you could eventually even come test this breakdown line here. And then price action goes back down, give it another go, try to close below those two important resistance levels, support levels. And you're just going to need more time, guys. It could even go back all the way up here, test the 30-week moving average, test that embryonic breakdown line, and then go down. So that's all possible noise. So we just have to wait and see. So if you're tempted to play upwards, Stan, one of his rules is never play a stock if the price action is below 30-week average, if it's declining. It's just the weight. You're just on the wrong side. Remember, this is a trend. As soon as you start making, very soon, lower lows here, you're in a downtrend, that's not where you want to be, guys. But right now, it's not a short. You could play continuation short, but essentially the real momentum is going to start happening when we have that close there below the monthly defined breakdown line and the weekly. And after that, oh, I took off the target. Hold on, let's do my measure move target. Remove all drawing tools. So this is the pattern I see. And my measured move would be all the way down here, 63.97. And that's why I like also about applying a different framework to the higher time frame. The measure moves, all these patterns, they also give you expectations. You could kind of estimate with that swing rule where the stage 2 should at least try to be going to. If it continues after that, that's another story. But it gives you pretty much an idea of the run of the length of how that's going to pan out before it starts slowing down and going back up. Not always the case, but it gives you a clue pretty much where you could put your expectations, guys. All right, UK 100, not quite ready yet, but starting to create some downwards weight. And let's see where November and December and those months, how they move the chart, guys. All right, keeping it short. Ciao.